What's up guys, Intelitech Studios here, and today we're going to be unboxing a Hoover vacuum cleaner. Specifically, this one is the Hoover PowerMax 2. It's one of two Hoover vacuums that just arrived on my doorstep today. This one in particular is a older model that's collectible. I acquired this from Vacuums and Carpet Cleaner Guy. And the other one is a brand new machine that you will be seeing shortly after this video is posted. So, let's go ahead and unbox this Hoover PowerMax 2 and check it out. Of course, the box is wanting to fold and not stay out of the way. Looks like this one will be very easy to open, but you can see there we go, Hoover PowerMax 2 with soft guard. Very similar in design to something like a Hoover Dimension Supreme, at least at first glance, which is a machine I've been wanting for a while. So this is a welcome addition to my Elite collection. And this one was packaged very simply. We have the main body, we have the handle, have the actual, not the bag housing, but the part of something. We have the cable, and the cleaner head. So that's a pretty simple set of parts. So yeah, this like kind of palish green color. It looks like it matches my Bissell Power Glide actually. That kind of pale green color, which honestly I thought was rather ugly. I just bought this because it was a good deal and it was similar to the Dimension Supreme that I wanted. But the color on this is actually kind of growing on me a little bit. So I'm not complaining about that one bit. Also, there's some bits of, what is that, a leaf and something? Oh, obviously the vacuum will get that. I think that's it. That should be it. So I'll still go through this box later and make sure there's nothing that I missed. Let's see what this comes with. So it has all three attachments. That's good. And it has the extension wand and the hose. So it looks like it's complete. That just came off, which is fine. So it looks like it's actually complete, which is really nice. It looks like I could put one of the longer crevice tools on here if I wanted to. But obviously it has the short one as well with it. So that looks interesting. I assume there's a bag in here. Yes, there is. So let's see how this goes on. It looks like I'll have to put the this middle section on first. Or maybe the cord on first. And there's a screw right here. So it looks like just put this on. After I take out the screw, put the screw and the bolt on to hold this in. Plug in the cable, route it, and pop the front housing on and the handle. And we should be good to go. So we'll go ahead and put this together real quick. Alright, so got this thing together. Looking a little droopy, and yeah, that's a little loose because one of the tabs that holds this on is broken. Would have been nice to know that. But yeah, you know, a little extra belt storage on these little posts right here. That's kind of cool. But yeah, got it all put together. Got the bag installed properly. Entire back chamber is filthy, as well as the oh, what? It leans back for some reason. Oh, and so the pedal release doesn't seem to be working correctly. It's a little dramatic of a lean, don't you think? Yeah, it does not lock forward. If I hold it. Yep, does not lock forward. Pushes and pulls just fine. It's a little heavy in the hand. If I put it on the high carpet setting, that should do the trick. Well, this whole thing just feels like it's falling apart. Which sucks because I do like the way this looks. Oh, the brush roll looks really good. Almost looks like a brand new brush roll. Looks great. It's again very dusty. This whole thing is just very dusty. I mean, I'm not saying it had to have been like stripped down and washed, but you know, at least like wipe it down before you pack it. You know, that's what I try to do with all my machines. But still, I got a good deal on this, so I'm not too fussed about it. So that's the sticker. Model U5246-900. 7.2 amp motor. Saying not to use it outdoors. There's that brush roll. So, that's that. We'll go ahead and plug it in. And, I really hope that this, for the Hoover collectors that know a lot about these, how do I fix this? Because that's annoying. I can't really deal with that. You know, it being dirty is one thing, so I can clean it, but, you know, if it's gonna lean back like that, then, yeah, I need to figure out how to fix that. Otherwise, this is a no-go for me. This will have to go somewhere else. But hopefully not. Hopefully I can fix that, because I do like the way this is. I would like to be able to keep this. So we'll plug it in real quick and give it a whirl. Oh my god. Okay. Well, let's see what kind of dust spits out of this, because my nose is very irritated as a result of the dust. So I hope this doesn't spit out a bunch of dust. I don't know if that's the fan or the brush. Oh my god. I don't know if that's the fan or the brush roll, but I assume it's the fan, because the brush roll feels great. Grooms very well. Not much to complain about as far as the brush roll. But, yeah. So, overall, I do like this machine, and I am happy with it. There are some issues that I kind of wish I had known about going into it. Yeah. So, has all the attachments. If I can even get this open. Has all the attachments. which is nice. Ew, okay. So, okay. Well, that looks good. But yeah, I think I still am going to look for a Dimension Supreme, because it's looking like, yeah, it's looking like this has some issues. So, obviously, bag chamber is missing one of the clips is broken off, and since there's only 2 clips, that means it's probably going to leak a lot of dust. But, maybe if I get HEPA bags for it, it'll be okay. But yeah, so here's that. It needs a headlight bulb, needs a fan probably, and definitely needs a handle release or something to fix this, because that's a little ridiculous. It's obviously supposed to be, you know, all the way up like that, and if it was like leaning a little bit, that'd be fine, but like that's pretty dramatic. That's almost like a 45-degree angle. So yeah, but anyways, this is Intelitech Studio signing out with the unboxing of the Hoover PowerMax 2. And yeah, so Intelitech Studio signing out. See you guys in the next video, and I hope y'all have a good one. Peace.